Hi everyone, welcome back to Sewing Adventures, a channel all about sewing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video because it will help me grow my little channel. So today's video is a bit different, I'm not gonna lie. It ain't that pretty and I am really scared that a smile is gonna come out at me. I am currently in my loft, as you can see, and I'm going to be organizing my fabrics. So my fabrics at the moment are in a box, and I want to be more consistent on YouTube and creating new projects and just in general sewing and having that as a hobby. Using an app which is right there, I'm going to show you. I can basically take pictures and put it there and know what I have, so when I'm downstairs, whether it's no spiders or anything like that, I can look into what projects I can make and therefore plan ahead, if that makes sense. Pretty much there. It took so much longer than I thought. I own so much fabric, it's ridiculous, but also it's kind of exciting though, I'm not gonna lie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I only got to tidy up a tiny bit more, put things inside the box like this. I organized it in terms of fabric and I got like a lot more over there. It was really productive. It definitely took a long time. Hopefully I will be able to edit this really quickly and don't make it that long, the video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know which fabric you like the most and the least, and what kind of projects I should do. And also one more time, and I hope you guys liked it, but if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really helps me grow my little channel. But till next time, goodbye.